Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a one-handed Colombian. Now, knowing how to do a First Move Colombian would be a really good idea, so I'll put a link to that in the description below. Assuming you've got something like that in your repertoire already, you're going to be ready to have a go at one of these. You can take up a massive amount of space with one of these, so we're going to do something that fits the space we've got. But obviously, if you've got an entire dance floor to yourself, you could do this much longer. So, getting ready, it looks like this. Starts just like a first move. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5 and 6. So let's break it down. It starts off like a first move. So we go semicircle back, we come in for a first move, we twist the lady out, and the guy weights the back foot. Now from here, we start into a Colombian. So standard Colombian steps, we're going to come face, and as we go into step behind, we're going to open up spare arms on the outside, and you can now start to style those spare arms, but we use the left hand for the guy, right hand for the lady, to keep leading the Colombian steps. So we come through the middle, square, open up, square, through the middle. We're going to change direction here, so we're going to go square, behind, rock, step, behind and in front and behind, and we're going to use this next one to be a return for the lady to finish off. So the lady would already have been going in that direction. The guy just changes his steps, takes the hand over the top, and you have your exit. So if we go from the other end, and we'll talk numbers. So we go back 1, in 2, twist out 3, and then we're double timing our steps. So we're going to go square, behind, that's a count. Square, in front, that's a count. Square, behind, that's a count. Square, in front, that's a count. Square, behind, that's a count. So then we're going to rock through, and we're going to go step, behind, and in front. 2 steps for each one, behind and in front. And at some point, when you've got the lady about to go in front, it becomes your return. So let's have a bash together and see how we do. Let's try it. 5, 6, one-handed Colombian. It's a back, in, twist, step, behind, in front, behind, in front, behind, rock, step, behind, in front, behind, return, and back. Okay, that's it. Hope you take that out on the dance floor and enjoy it. And it allows you to do more styling-wise with your Colombian. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Notification bell means you'll get told every time a new video comes out, so you don't miss anything. Liking promotes the move, subscribing promotes the channel, so big thank you to everyone who does that. Windows that come up in the last few seconds of the video, one of those will be a music recommendation that will be nice to practice this to. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.